and welcome back. So I cut all of the papers and I took out the innards from the book, and I kind of wanted to show you where I'm at. I'm gonna have to do a different spine since this one has seen better days. And I have 3 signatures, about 10-ish pages per, maybe 11 on a couple. But this is what we have so far. So let's look at signature 1. Isn't this cute? I had to use this paper because of the Cardinal, and I had to kind of start off the journal. So we have that, and then I tried to do some flip outs. This one is actually going to be a little tuck spot, so I'm going to glue that or stitch it. Some atlas page. It looks like it's upside down. Let's try that. There we go. Vellum, and I love how the vellum shows this page. I thought that was really fun. That's a digital kit from ArtyMaze. I'll have the digital kits listed below. And then in the center of the signature, we're gonna make this a pocket, and then I'll add some tags later. So yeah, there we go. Let the flip out. That's gonna be a tuck spot. I think I'll leave that one as a flip out. This one might actually be fun. I just thought of something. If you do like an extension with one of these pages, because I didn't end up using these. So maybe something with this. I'm gonna hold that thought. We'll come back. And there we go. That's number 1. Number 2 with the poinsettia. And the Norman Rockwell paper. Flip out there. Music, and I think I need to reinforce the music sheet with some tape or washi tape or something. There's another Cardinal. Flip out. And a flip out for that one. Alright, and then the last one is Santa. I love how this is with the brown and the deer. This kind of works. And then this back of the paper with this green. This is a digital kit from ArtyMaze as well. Make that a tuck spot. Or I think we'll leave that as a flip out. There's the center of that signature. Super cute. Flip out, and I think I have to trim this so that it doesn't get stuck when I bind it together. So, there we go. I'm definitely going to leave that as a flip out because there's Santa and the deer. Super cute. Okay, so next up, I want to glue, at least kind of tack down some of these pages, and then I can go to my sewing machine later and stitch them. We'll see. That's kind of the plan. So I was watching, to get my crafty mojo back. I was watching several people, but I think it was Foxy, 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 who I'm talking about. She's been using the Sweet Sugar Bell glue, and so I'm like, oh, that looks so much easier. And I just started. This is probably my second squeeze of the glue, so I'll let you know. But so far, it's like butter. Look, you just squeeze it a little. You don't have to hurt your hand, and it just this is really meant for icing. So how clever was that? That people are using the icing bottles instead. All right, so I'll let that dry. Kind of want to remember where I found it though. So I really kind of like how I organized. All right, so let's do this one. Just something, fabric or something there later on. And this is in the center. All right, is that for, yep, I think we're good for that signature. And then not too many flip outs in this signature. That's a flip out. And that is a flip out. Okay, I guess I didn't have to do anything for that. And I can't remember. How about this guy? Oh yeah, this is gonna be a pocket. Is that upside down? I can't tell with the writing. Looks upside down that way, but then I turn it that way, and that writing doesn't look. I don't know. Oh well, we'll leave it like this for now. Well, I'll just have to decide before I stitch it in. Before I get to this, I was wanting to fix or add some tape or something to the music pages so they don't rip. So hold on, I'll be right back.